Frozen Pizza Mega Factory, the tech behind mass pizza production. Hey there, pizza enthusiasts. Welcome back to AgriTale. Ever wonder how your favorite frozen pizzas are made? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a state-of-the-art pizza factory, diving deep into the incredible process of turning wheat into delicious frozen pizzas, from the wheat fields all the way to your dinner table. So stick around, you might just learn a thing or two that will make your next bite even more satisfying. Wheat, from field to flour. The journey of a pizza begins long before it reaches the factory, starting with the cultivation of wheat. Wheat is planted in vast fields, with farmers using modern agricultural techniques to ensure healthy growth. The seeds are sown in well-prepared soil and are regularly irrigated and fertilized to promote robust development. As the wheat grows, it is monitored for pests and diseases, with necessary treatments applied to protect the crop. Once the wheat is mature, it is harvested using large combine harvesters that effectively cut, thresh, and clean the wheat in one go. The harvested wheat grains are then transported to milling facilities, where they undergo a series of processes to become flour. At the mill, the wheat grains are cleaned to remove any impurities. They are then conditioned by adding moisture, which helps in the milling process. The grains pass through roller mills, which crush them into fine particles. This milling process involves several stages. First, the grains are cleaned to remove impurities. Then they are conditioned by adding moisture, making the bran easier to separate. In the rolling mills, the grains are ground in multiple stages. The initial rollers break open the grain, separating the starchy interior from the bran and germ. Subsequent rollers grind the starchy interior into fine flour, while the bran and germ are removed. The flour is then sifted through fine screens to ensure a uniform texture, then grated to meet the required standards for pizza dough production. This high-quality flour is packed and transported to pizza factories, ready to be used in making dough. Pizza making process. The pizza-making process for large-scale production begins with automatic mixer machines. These machines mix flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients in precise amounts to form the dough. The mixture is blended until it forms a smooth and consistent dough, ensuring that each batch starts with a perfect foundation. Once the dough is ready, it moves along the conveyor belts within the factory. These belts transport the dough through various stages of production, maintaining a steady flow that optimizes efficiency and productivity. Dough handling. After the dough has been prepared and shaped into uniform balls, the process moves on to handling these dough balls in large quantities. Within the factory, they are accumulated in large number to facilitate mass production. Automatic machines take over the task of transporting these dough balls to various parts of the factory using a complex network of conveyor systems and lifts. Some conveyor belts may carry the dough balls to resting areas where they undergo a brief period of fermentation, allowing the dough to rise and develop flavor. Others may transport them directly to the stations for the next stage of processing. Pizza base shaping. For the first method of shaping pizza bases, the dough balls are subjected to precision pressing mechanisms. Once positioned by the dough divider, these uniform dough balls are carefully transferred to the pressing station. Here, specialized machines descend upon the dough balls with calculated force, gently but firmly pressing them into round pizza bases for consistent thickness. The pressing action ensures that each base maintains uniformity in size and thickness, which is crucial for the overall quality and appearance of the final product. This method guarantees that every pizza base is prepared to the same high standard, ready for further processing. Dough shaping and cutting. Alternatively, the dough is just rolled into long, broad sheets that are subsequently prepared for another type of conversion process. In this method, the dough sheet passes through a set of several rolling and cutting machines, each one accurately adjusted to its task. The machines roll out the dough to exact thicknesses prior to cutting it into pizza base shape. This is particularly effective in high-volume production because it allows for continuous shaping and cutting of dough sheets, making work in progress and final product present a nice, even flow. As the dough sheets advance along the production line, rotating pressing machines descend upon them, using controlled pressure to cut the dough into the desired shape of pizza bases. The rhythmic motion of these machines ensures that the dough is uniformly shaped and sized, maintaining consistency across the entire batch. This method offers an effective alternative to shaping individual dough balls, allowing for high-volume production while upholding the same standards of quality and uniformity. By employing this technique, automated factories achieve optimal efficiency without compromising on the integrity of the final product, ensuring that each pizza base is perfect and primed for the toppings and subsequent stages of production. Topping. Once the dough is prepared and round, the automated process transitions into the pizza topping phase. Advanced technology is used to dispense precise amounts of tomato sauce onto each dough round, ensuring an even coating across the surface. These sauces are carefully spread and distributed using specialized rolling machines, which ensure thorough coverage and uniformity on every pizza base. Next in line are the mixed toppings, ranging from savory meats to fresh vegetables. Machines equipped with rotating arms delicately dispense these toppings onto the sauced bases. Each ingredient is measured and distributed with precision to maintain consistency across the production line, ensuring that every pizza receives the perfect balance of toppings. Finally comes the shredded cheese topping, a hallmark of traditional pizza. Specially designed machines evenly sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese at the top of the assembled pizza, ensuring that every bite is filled with gooey, melty goodness. These machines are calibrated to dispense the precise amount of cheese needed for each pizza, guaranteeing uniform coverage and optimal flavor. This amazing topping process ensures that every pizza is ready for the next stage of production, with all ingredients evenly distributed and perfectly balanced. Freezing. For long-term storage or distribution for distant locations, pizzas undergo a freezing process. This typically involves placing the packaged pizzas in a blast freezer or tunnel freezer, where they are rapidly cooled to freezing temperatures. Freezing helps extend the shelf life of the pizzas and preserves their quality during transportation and storage. Most frozen pizzas are not pre-cooked, although there are a few exceptions to this general rule. In cases where pre-cooking is involved, the pizzas are moved into large ovens for cooking. These ovens can be conveyor belt style ovens, where pizzas move through on a continuous belt, ensuring even and consistent cooking. Packaging. Frozen pizzas are transferred onto conveyor belts that transport them to the packaging area. These systems are equipped with sensors and controls to ensure smooth and continuous movement of the pizzas. The pizzas are automatically fed into wrapping machines, which use a combination of rollers, heat sealing machines, and cutting-edge devices to wrap each pizza in plastic film or shrink wrap. The plastic film is dispensed from rolls and securely sealed around the pizza to protect it from external contaminants and maintain freshness. For pizzas packaged in cardboard boxes or cartons, automated carton erecting machines are employed. These machines quickly assemble flat cardboard blanks into fully formed boxes with precision. Sealing machines securely close and seal the cartons using adhesive tape or hot melt glue. These machines ensure that the cartons are properly sealed to prevent tampering and protect the pizzas during transportation and storage. And there you have it. From the simple dough to the perfect pizza base, now you know the remarkable journey behind your favorite pizza. It's incredible to see the precision and care involved in each step, ensuring every pizza base is perfect for your enjoyment. If you enjoyed learning about this process, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. We've got plenty more behind the scenes videos, so watch how your favorite products are made. Until next time, keep watching AgriTale.